Welcome to this comparison between the latest Redmi 13 and Redmi 12. Both of these smartphones are from the same brand, which is Xiaomi, and they are pretty much similar in terms of specs and features. So we'll be comparing both devices to see which is much better, and also for you guys to know which to buy. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Lord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be comparing the Redmi 13 and the Redmi 12. So the Redmi 13 was released on June 3rd, 2024, while the Redmi 12 was released in the Q2 market of 2023. Both of these smartphones look cool, as you can tell from their design. So when it comes to design, the Redmi 13 and the Redmi 12 comes with a pretty design that looks minimalistic. I mean, they are just cool. Their designs are pretty similar, and to be honest, they have a nice build quality as well. The Redmi 13 encased a sleek glossy finish on the rear, 2 huge camera module, and the camera ring LED flash. While on the other hand, we have the Redmi 12 that comes with a sleek glossy finish on the rear, payable camera sensors, and the LED flash. And yeah, both devices have a glass back. So the only distinction in their design are the camera module and also the LED flash position. Yeah. So guys, as you keep watching, please support our YouTube channel by subscribing and also turn that notification bell on as we are getting closer to 2,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. When it comes to the display, both the Redmi 13 and the Redmi 12 have a nice display, and also they are pretty similar. So the Redmi 13 sports a 6.79-inch IPS LCD panel, 90 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The Redmi 13 also has a peak brightness of 550 nits, which is pretty decent and okay for viewing content outdoors. The display is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protector, which on the other hand, the Redmi 12 doesn't have. So the Redmi 12 features same 6.79-inch IPS LCD 1080 pixel display. It has a high refresh rate of 90 Hz with same 550 nits. So viewing content on both devices is good, and since they have same display, their results are also the same. No difference on this one. So the chipset power in the Redmi 13 is the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra, which is an upgrade over the Helio G88 processor we have in the Redmi 12. But to be honest, that is not a significant upgrade though. So performance are a bit better on the Redmi 13 since it powers a slightly higher processor than the Redmi 12. Both phones' processors are 12nm built on process alongside a Mali G52MC2 GPU. So gaming experience on both devices are on average, and you can play intensive graphic games on low graphic setting and high frame rate to experience smooth movement while gaming. Scrolling through apps and navigating on sites on both devices are pretty seamless since they have a high refresh rate. Now let's talk about the camera aspects of both devices. First, the Redmi 13 has 2 camera sensors, which are 108MP main camera and 2MP macro lens. On the front, it has a 30MP selfie camera for selfie shots, which is pretty cool. On the other hand, we have the Redmi 12, which equips a 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro lens. On the front, it has a 8MP selfie camera for selfie shots. Both first cameras are pretty impressive, and megapixel can't really tell which is better, unless photos and videos are taken side by side. But yeah, their cameras are pretty cool. Both the Redmi 13 and the Redmi 12 comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and there are other storage variants too. The Redmi 13 is running on Android 14 based on the new Xiaomi HyperOS, while the Redmi 12 is running on Android 13 based on MIUI 14. Both the Redmi 13 and the Redmi 12 adapt a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. When it comes to the battery life, both of these smartphones have a good battery life, and the coolest thing is they support fast charge. The Redmi 13 has a daily battery capacity of 5030 mAh that supports the 3 watts fast charge, while the Redmi 12 houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports 18 watts fast charge, and it can literally last you a whole day on a single charge. So for you to purchase the Redmi 13, it's going to cost you 220,000 naira, which should be around $150 for the 8GB variant, while it's going to cost you 196,000 naira or $140 to purchase the Redmi 12. So if you're trying to get any of these devices, they are pretty cool and decent. You can actually go for the Redmi 13 or the Redmi 12. But if you already own the Redmi 12, do not upgrade to the Redmi 13. Yeah, they're just pretty similar. Don't be carried away with the specs or stuff like that. You can actually upgrade to a device better than the Redmi 13. That's just it. Yeah, that's my thoughts. Yeah, so here comes the end of my comparison video between the Redmi 13 and Redmi 12. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace.